Hello everyone, I'm Meera and I'm from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So guys, this is a random video because in evening I came to field side. You can just see to visit because this time I was free as well as alone at my home. That's why I thought I should come to the field to visit. Guys, do you know here are many people who plays as well as see my little nephew. He is also playing as he is wanting, and he is watching at me that what Pua is actually doing. He will not say anything, but after some time he will say something that Pua, are you making the video? I will make it. So guys, here is my nephew and turn around. Under the neem tree, my father is also sitting. He also came to field to visit. And so guys, you can just see one girl is behind me. She is so far from me, but she is watching at me that what I am doing, because in public place I don't make the videos due to this reason, because they see like so strangely and I feel awkward. That's why I don't make videos in front of any public. But today I just collected courage. After that I am making the video, and this is our village temple where I just come. And this is a so good place to come in the evening time. You can just see, I will show you that. Let's see, just see, there are many people who are playing the football, but they are boys and little kids too. Guys, I don't see their match because I come here to find peace and spend a quality time with myself. So that's why I just try to sit alone, and you can just see he is doing his work. This is his work. All the field is empty, you can just see. But this will not be empty forever, because after 10 to 15 days everyone, each and everyone will plant paddy. And after planting paddy, I will show you that how beautiful looks our field. And guys, one more thing I will show you, that if I will turn around, just see and look at this side. This side is my field where I make the videos. And because do you know, sometimes you just hear noise of playing boys, that they are playing and they are making noise, and this voice comes to in my video due to, because my field and this area is so close. That's why. And first time I came to this side to make my video and visit. So look at the weather, how beautiful it is looking. It's evening time. So guys, I think I should come daily to practice my video, because if I will practice daily, then I can be fluent so easily and so fast, and here is no one who will disturb me too. And just see the area, how greenery is everywhere. So guys, I think this is a best way to practice English, because if you will not practice alone, then guys, if you will not practice alone, and if you will just think that perhaps I have a friend or I have a partner who can speak English with me, who can practice with me, then you will always find, because no one is here who will help you without their selfishness, so don't wait for anyone else. You just come out of your house, out of your room, and you just take a stand for yourself. So just try to practice English alone. So this is the time, evening time, and the weather looks so beautiful. um, so the video ends here, but let's meet in next video. So I think this is a good time, and this is a good chance, and this is our best way to practice English. So just try to speak English fluently and just practice. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.